Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make sauce Béarnaise. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need fresh tarragon, finely minced shallots, and a good quality white wine vinegar for the reduction. Don't forget 3 large egg yolks and 1 stick of unsalted butter, clarified. Having everything prepped and measured out before you begin is key to a smooth process. This classic French sauce is easier than you think with the right preparation. Now, let's create the flavorful reduction that forms the base of our Béarnaise. In a small saucepan, combine your minced shallots, a sprig of fresh tarragon, 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, and a few crushed peppercorns. Bring this to a simmer and reduce it slowly over medium heat until only about 1 tablespoon of liquid remains. Strain this concentrated liquid, pressing firmly on the solids to extract every drop of that aromatic essence. With our reduction ready, it's time for the magic of emulsification. In a heat-proof bowl, whisk your 3 egg yolks vigorously with the strained reduction. Place this bowl over a pot of simmering water, ensuring the bottom doesn't touch the water. While continuously whisking, slowly drizzle in your warm, clarified butter, 1 thin stream at a time. Keep whisking until the sauce thickens beautifully, becoming smooth and glossy. To finish our perfect Béarnaise, stir in a pinch of salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a generous amount of finely chopped fresh tarragon. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. This luxurious sauce is best served immediately, perhaps alongside a perfectly cooked steak, poached eggs, or roasted asparagus. It adds an incredible richness to any dish. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.